So in the previous video, we decided to open multiple gates to handle the thousands of people who had signed up for the music event or music festival. But here is a real problem, right? Chances are excellent that one gate will still be overwhelmed because let's say we invite a very big artist, and you know our obsession with artists. Most people would like to be in the front row, who don't want to be far away from the artist, want to have like a front row view. And so these people will try and then find their way, to go through a particular gate, even when there's chaos. They want to jump over each other, run over each other, and all those kind of things like that. So the organizers will have to prevent this from happening. And how do they do that? By introducing a person who will play the role of directing who is to go through which gate. So the person will play a role of you go through gate one, you go through gate two, you go through gate three, you go through gate four. That person is playing the role of a load balancer in system design. So a load balancer sits between the users and the servers. So what happens is that when a request comes in, the load balancer distributes it across the multiple servers. And this is another key thing that is also important. When a server fails or when a server goes down, the load balancer automatically redirects that request to servers that are up and running, right? It is very, very important because without a load balancer, systems will crash because users will be hitting one server. And then when that happens, the server becomes overwhelmed and the server crashes. So it is very, very important because load balancers provide scalability in the sense of it is able to handle many users. It provides reliability, that is, there's no single point of failure. It also provides high availability. Your system is always running, regardless of failures, regardless of, let's say, a server fails or whatnot. So we take real world systems like streaming platforms, banking apps, or e-commerce websites. Load balancers are not optional, they are a must. So when building your website or when building your application, just take a load balancer to be like a traffic controller, one which distributes requests across multiple servers. You see why this is important? So it's not just about coding, it's about understanding. This is part of the core architecture of designing real world system.